My name's Tom Hickman. I'm a member of the Faculty of Laws at UCL. I'm also a practitioner in London. I'm speaking to you today from the heart of legal London in the Temple to encourage you to do our course in national security law. It's taught by one of the globally leading law faculties by people who've got real experience in national security law. In addition, we bring in outside speakers, people who work day to day with national security law issues, people from the government, people from oversight bodies, and people who litigate national security issues, special advocates and practitioners. And that gives students a real opportunity to study the issue in depth and get to grips with some of the really hard issues that arise, the clash between human rights issues and security issues.
I'm Ewan Smith. I'm a member of the faculty at UCL Laws, and I've been working in public law and national security for 20 years now. I started out in legal practice in the United States, where I did death penalty work, including some constitutional law, some federal habeas petitions there. I then worked for the Foreign Office here in the UK for 10 years. And for the last 10 years, I've been teaching and researching public law here in the UK. And the focus of my research is the foreign relations and national security powers of the government.
So I first became interested in national security law when I was a practicing solicitor. I was working in immigration law, and through that, I started taking on some cases in the Special Immigration Appeals Commission, which is really the UK's leading national security court, not the only one. But from the back of that, I began to research the evolution of this kind of court and became more and more interested in the history of surveillance. Now, I've recently published a book that basically covers the entire history of UK communications surveillance law. So this module is perfect for anyone who's interested in public law or human rights or litigation. You'll be on the cutting edge of all of those fields by the time you come through this module.
My name's Jessica Jones. I'm a barrister practicing from Matrix Chambers. I specialise in human rights and national security law. So one of the things that we've done as part of the module previously is spent one seminar set up as a moot court. So we take an issue in national security law, often that's based on a recent judgment, and the students are separated to argue for and against a particular position in the case. So they have to engage with the judgment and the issues that came up in it and argue either for the government or for the appellant about what the outcome of the case should be.
We're able to bring together not just theorists and teachers, but also practitioners, people who take these cases day to day. Civil servants whose job it is to make national security decisions day to day. And that integration of theory and practice is a key strength. And I think to do that, it helps if you're right in the heart of London, and both our faculty and our programme is.
We're really excited by our expanded national security law course at UCL, and we're really hoping to see you on the course this year.